Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on taroAds. So let's get started right away. Just open up the web browser where you have logged in to your account and have not logged out. Then in the address bar, simply type in taroads.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official taroAds website where you will be logged into your account if you haven't logged out previously. You will directly be taken into your dashboard. Now from the dashboard, in order to log out, simply hover over to your account at the top right corner. From there you will see the drop down menu where you will see the logout button as well. Just click on it and now you will immediately be logged out from your account, and in order to log back in, you will simply need to type in your email address and your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on taroAds. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.